What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I know, guys, I missed you. I hope you missed me as much as I miss you. If you don't miss me, you better hit that subscribe button because we're going to get some good content coming soon. Today's a good day, man. You got to stay tuned. We're doing vehicle delivery today. Should be fun. I know I'm a bit overdressed for this video, but hey, you know, I still got to go to work, guys. I don't have enough of you subscribed yet, so I have to, I still got to clock in and out, man, and make some money until I turn into a Stradman or daily driven exotics or something of that nature. But this thing, my little X3 loaner, we got to return it tomorrow. It needs gas. I got to put some gas in it because my job's a little far away and the car's a little bit away too. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good day. Hope you guys get excited because I am. Don't you guys love when you hop on the highway and you got the state trooper in front of you? That's alright, baby, because we're heading over to the dealership now. Unfortunately, I got this copper in front of me, so there'll be no speeding to the dealership. And this thing ain't very fast. The X3 barely has any pickup. But we're heading over to Stingray Chevy, and you know it's about to go down. So I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys out there. Everyone that sees my car at the auction. Yes, yes. Unfortunately, for some reason, it's listed there with water damage. I have no idea. Sorry, guys. It's not water damage. You know, cylinder 4 had no compression because of what happened on the highway. So, needless to say, insurance didn't want to replace the engine. Got totaled out. As you guys seen. I don't know if I think I broke it down in another video prior to this, so. But yeah, so that's why you guys see my car, my M3 at the auction. A lot of you have been commenting on a bunch of my videos, and appreciate the comments, of course, and it's good to hear from a lot of you. It's nice to know that you recognize the car and everything like that, so that's kind of a cool thing. And Instagram as well, too. Pretty cool. But I do appreciate you guys, and replacement coming soon. Uh-oh, boys and girls. What am I doing at a Chevy dealership? I don't know. I think I made an accidental right turn, and I ended up here. The Chevy dealership. So we're standing up in the showroom right now. This looks pretty good, guys. This thing's pretty nice. Pretty sweet. Great little spec. Looks good, real good. There's a few in here, actually. They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's start this way. We'll go down to the one we're really looking at. It's like an orange one down there. Oh, they got the high wing on this one. Blue one. And here it is right here, guys. Got the black calipers, upgraded wheels, 2LT, black wing, convertible, black leather interior. Got the carbon fiber package, GT2 seats. The roof off, nice black accents. She looks beautiful, man. I know a lot of you guys be clowning sometimes, but I think these cars are amazingly beautiful. Never been a big convertible fan, but the hardtop makes this so much nicer. Heads-up display. It's got that Bose Premium, or Platinum, I should say. Check out the seats. Got the carbon layover in there. Got the insignia for the Corvette Stingray in the back. See all the carbon fiber bits. Much better than C7. You guys ever seen the C7s? They're all like flat carbon. Doesn't look that good. These look amazing in here, man. We'll be going for a drive soon in this bad boy right here. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So guys, we got a debate going on here. A little bit of a debate. Let me see if you can figure it out. Got a debate on no wing, Z51 wing, and the high wing. Now that's the high wing over there. Z51 wing. There's no wing. I think it needs something here. I think me and my buddy agreed it definitely needs at least the Z51 wing. Like I got on this here. Z51 wing makes more sense, I think. What do you guys think? Comment. Should the high wing ever be purchased? Looks like it's adjustable too. It's got adjustments on it on the side. Right here. Little adjustments. Or that's maybe to take it off. Convertible. Convertible is a coupe. The orange one's a coupe. And yes, guys, all these are spoken for. They're all sold. Including this one. I got something in my hand, guys. Shall we open her up? Beautiful. Let's see if we can open her up. You joining me? I won't start it in the showroom right now. Ooh. How we looking, guys? How we looking? Hey. Hey. Look at that. That graphic, huh? That's gorgeous. Good job, Chevy. You guys are clowning a little bit, some of y'all. All the controls right here. AC, heated, cooled seats. Sync the AC auto. Different modes, fan speeds, power it on. All the way down passenger side on the bottom. Driver's side on the top. Got all your cameras. Traction control, drive modes, electronic transmission right there, manual for the paddles, all the Bluetooth controls, Z51 button, open up that exhaust, power mode, see that Bose Platinum, looks good, power mirror with the camera system, activates it right here, of course all your emergency buttons, home link, hey, see myself. There he is. What do you guys think? Opinions. Leave them down below. Comment, subscribe. What do you think? Fit power mode in the showroom? No engine start? Does it give you an accessory mode? There it is. Oh, it's telling me press the brake to start it. Doesn't give you much accessory mode. Here it is. There you go. All your options there. Mode, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi hotspot. The navigation. Obviously, probably not going to pick up because we're inside the building still. You got your PDR, climate control, OnStar, extra apps, your cameras. Let's see if the cameras will turn on. Probably won't because maybe the car needs to be on. Chevy, let's see PDR. There it is. That's your overlay. Video overlay, recording, settings. Look at how good this screen looks. The resolution of the screen is actually much better than it was on my M3. Yeah, my M3 was at 18. So, no SD card available. You must have to put it in there, wherever that goes. Go home. Oh, that's your home and volume buttons right here. Air vent right here. Look at this. I've never even noticed this before. Got an air vent right here. It's pretty cool, these little air vents. Hopefully these things don't break. Quality, hopefully. Got the stitching on the dash. 6 miles on the car. We'll do a startup soon, guys. Cold start will be coming real short. On the outside, she looks good. Let's see if we can do this top with the key. Put the top up and down, see how it looks. like little button right there. I don't know if it has to be locked. What do you think? Let's try it. No? It'd have to be locked. Let's try it. Locked? Maybe it only goes down. Yeah, I guess it only goes down with the key. You see? That's why you try. Z51 lower lip. No, I did not get the lift system. No lift system on this. Got the black calipers. Don't know what you guys think of the wheels. Came with the Pilot Sport 4S's. Check out the rear. 305 3020s in the rear. Yeah, let's pop the rear trunk. See, I guess you can get to the rear trunk easier. There it is. You can get to this easier. See how this looks because of the convertible? Totally different. So you don't have the engine, which is obviously in the other one you have this whole thing opens, the hatch opens for the engine, where it doesn't on the convertible. Oh, this smells brand new. You can smell inside here. Oh, that new car smell. This soft closes, right? Yep, there it goes. Let's try the front. Let's check out the front. Double press. No? Is that gonna work? Maybe I don't know how to use it. No, I don't know how to use this thing. Ooh, look how the lights turn on. I guess I don't know how to use this thing. It has to be locked or unlocked? I don't know. I think there's a button underneath there. We'll figure that out. So that's the learning process. I don't know how to use the keys. I look like a fool. Don't know how to use the car yet. Well, we got the front open, boys and girls. Got it open, got plenty of space. My boy Matt had to come out and help me out. Over there, you see him. There's actually a little, didn't even realize that there's a button over here. Where did he press? He knows where it is. I don't even know where this thing is. Oh, there's a button right under here. I feel it. I don't know if it shows. Right there is a button. Pops it open. So you got two trunks. Double the space. Close her up. So the top, he said the top only comes up when you're in the car. You can't, remote only opens it, doesn't close it. So this little glass, does this thing open? It does. Oh, right there, see that? And that's your top, and that's that glass right there. So that's pretty cool. So that's kind of cool. So that's cool. Is that, so you can open up this glass right here. You see it? When you top up.
Yeah.
So that glass comes down.
That kind of doubles as a windbreak.
Yeah.
Really nice, yeah.
That's pretty cool. Guys, I really like this blue right here. This is a pretty blue. I think I took a photo one time on IG. There was one parked downtown somewhere in Tampa. That looks good right there. Actually, even with the polished wheels, which I wouldn't have done. I would have went black wheels thinking it would have looked better, but those polished wheels look good. What do you guys think? Got some of these little sneakers over here they got. And that's the Z28 right here. Check out this drag monster. Holy crap. Little Whipple in there. Ready for the track. Go down some low numbers. Check out this Porsche, man. Wow. What a beauty. This thing's amazing, bro.
Nice, right?
Yeah. Wow.
Clear.
Oh, yeah. What is that behind it? The 650S, right?
Yeah.
Got the triple charge on it. Yeah, 650 right there. Oh yeah, look at this Triumph. It's pretty cool. What's that purple?
Yeah, they just
The
painted
Stag, huh?
it here.
Wow. That's good.
They got some cat cat on it, looks like.
Fully restored, huh? Oh, that's good. The 650 looking good as always. Beautiful green. The showroom looking good in here. Hey, get away from that car, sir. Get away from that car.
So, did you get a little bit of it?
Little cold start.
Did you get a shot with you in it? No, you don't have fun later. Okay, we'll have fun later. All right, drive carefully.
Gray one that was out here?
Oh, white, yellow tower, 3LT, completely loaded. And someone already offered $1,000. He said no.
Said no, huh? Orientation time.
I'm just gonna.
Yeah, guys. What do y'all think? Still got the plastics on here. We're gonna have to pull that off. This thing's sweet. So sexy, bud. At the top, sun. Behind you. Guys, you're gonna have to stay tuned for the first drive in the C8. She's a beauty, man. She's running, so we're gonna run away with this. Got to do that break-in period and have a good time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the new 2020 C8 convertible.